Dude.
Oh, we got zoned.
Okay, and that building's out. So just
Yep.
stay here. Just stay here for right now, gentlemen.
Yep. But we're gonna have to jump for final zone.
That'll be all right. That'll be all right.
I do have a gas mask though. Does anyone else?
I do not,
No.
but I might be able to loot these bodies.
Don't jump down. Don't fucking risk it. Don't fucking do it.
I wrecked these kids at this fucking
Oh, I know.
buy station.
Watch out. You got your ass exposed to those people.
Dude, that truck play. Oh, sniper.
Yep.
Okay, I'm moving truck. Oh, 2 snipers.
Oh, truck's about to blow up. Get
Truck's
away
dead.
from it. Just get behind a barricade or something.
Oh, quiet, jump that way.
Yeah, they just jumped out.
Yep.
They
We got 'em
dropped
with
down.
zone.
They dropped down. Yep. Oh, somebody threw a thermite cross
Yeah.
map.
They just jumped out of here. That sniper's out of the play. This sniper's out of the play. Dude, I wish we had kill streaks so bad.
Oh, dude.
They're gonna be in
5
this
teams,
building.
10 people. Yep, just let everyone fight. I wouldn't peek shit.
We gotta make sure they're not on this building though, because they can get over from right here.
Yep. You can use the destroyed truck as cover
No,
too.
they ain't there. They ain't there. It's all front of us. Please zone pull to us. Please zone pull
This
to
is
us.
final zone, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it is. So we're fucked. We have no cover. We're gonna
We're gonna have
play
to
this
jump
wall.
onto that rooftop, yeah. I'm just crawling. I'm not risking a snipe. Oh, fuck it.
No, we gotta know where they're at, dude.
There's one out there, too. I purpled one.
Reloading. I'm reloading.
Yep. If we're gonna move, we gotta move quick.
There's nothing below us. Go below
I downed
us.
one.
There's below us. There's below us. Get him.
Got him.
Good shit. Get my res. Get my
Yep,
res.
getting your res.
They're gonna be pushing us.
Yep, it's 3v2.
Just us.
Oh, it's 3v1.
Plate up. Plate up. Plate up.
Yep.
Move as a team. Do not
Yep.
get beamed from that building.
I have a gas
Do not
mask
expose
too.
yourself until you have to. He's right here.
Purpled him, broke him. Down. Got the full.
Let's fucking go!
Yes! Yes! 19, baby.
Let's. No, that's 23.
Is it?
Yes, because the water play was 19. That's 20.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Dude, the plays on that one. The fucking plays.
I'm in screen capping the fuck out of that one.
Hey, hit scoreboard.
Yeah, I will.
Like, do it now.
3-1-3.
Hell.